Right. These are things that go in the dip tank. Because that's the question I always get asked. We get to that when you need to get to that. You keep look. We've fouled already. Right. So I'm here this fine morning to set all your minds at ease with regard to the amazing subject with pictures of oven cleaning. In the not so distant past, in a land very close here, lived a dashing avenger by the name of Colin. After spending many a year living the dream in a parallel world where death and greed were key, otherwise known as the bank. And one day, in fact, a day not dissimilar to today, sunny, a handsome, charming, dapper, not to mention humble, quietly spoken by Joe by habit, he said, "I have never cleaned anything in my life. I shall clean domestic ovens." He decided to leave all the wealth and comfort behind him and threw off all uniforms and suits and donned the wizardry attire of the mortal oven cleaner. Says dramatic pause. He quickly learned the dark arts of scrubbery, plucked from the ether. After climbing and learned the learning wall of oven cleaning, wizardry the day come. Okay, what are you looking at? Yeah. Being a born Brightonian, he must keep the hippies and hearth people happy. So he chose a small van with a gas heating tank using biochemicals. Hooray, I hear you say.
Hooray.
Hooray. And he was off for the task ahead. A world full of scrubby, disgusting ovens, disgusting ovens in the domestic world and households. Now the question on your mind is, how does this wizardry happen? First, he would cover the floor by the ovens and take the door off. If it comes off, no force needed. He takes all the shelves and racking out the oven. He struts to his van. That's more minting, but waiting for his arrival in the preheated dip tank to let them soak in the biochemicals. And these things going around, so now man Jerry, they're the things that go to dip tank apart from the cloth and obviously the mask. That'd be stupid. Right, while this is happening, he will be spraying and scraping and scrubbing the inside of the oven. Pure elbow grease, no magic wands, afraid, not like a Starvis. I'm afraid a collective sigh. No wizardry, collective sigh. OCC Oven Cleaning Co. cleaned single and double ovens, as well as range ovens, electric hobs, gas hobs of domestic ovens. Now, why choose OCC apart from getting to meet me, of course? Remember, we operate a fixed price policy. The price you see is the price you pay. We do not upsell or add extra costs for accessories such as racks, rails, etc. We charge an oven type, i.e. single, double, range, etc. Not how dirty your oven is. Prices are based on the domestic use appliances. Things you might not know about a clean oven. Did you know the oven that is clean uses less energy than a dirty one? Clean ovens heat up more quickly than dirty ones. Boom! Did you know a scary amount of heat is lost every time you open the oven door? Having a nice clean door means you can see the food burning or cooking without opening it. Boom! Did you know that cleaning your oven regularly would increase its life? Boom! It was a thing, but you struggled with that. Did you know the grease and grime of your oven is a fire hazard? Boom! Did you know a clean oven cooks quicker and more evenly than a dirty one? Boom. Did you know that dirt and grease in your oven can evaporate and fuse in food and when you're cooking it? Gross. They can see there's a series of pictures. It's all finished. That's the company logo, as done by Made by Spoken. Any questions? I'll be willing to answer.
How far do you go?
Depends on the person. We'll pass around the branded boxing glove, yet to have blood on it. I don't punch hard enough. And then we'll pass around. These get a £5 discount with that voucher. We pass it round to everybody. Any other questions before I sit down? Trevor, hold your piece.
One question, if you're brave enough to follow.
Whoa, who by? Ah, Julian. Come on in, Julian.
Chris. So what's the average cost of an oven single oven?
The average cost is the set price policy. Thanks for listening. double oven, 2 doors, 65, range oven, 75. Hobs will start at 15 to kind of 25, depending if it's gas, electric, how many burners it has. Extractor fans are generally 10 to 15 pounds. Splash plate, clean it yourself. Screws. Come on. I don't mind old people, you can bend down, you can scrape everything on there. They've got an excuse. Stand in a back plate, you're doing that, aren't you? Come on. Thank you.
Do you do Argos?
No. We don't do Argos at the moment because they stay hot and you need a special tool to get it out. And one, it takes 2 people to lift it out. There's only me or anybody, one person at any job. So at the moment, no, we don't. And we don't do commercial. I'll add that to the end of it, and I'll keep saying domestic. We don't do commercial because they'll still get asked.
Brilliant.
We don't, that's Colin. As you see, I'm a company. I think